All the body organs which help the animal in excretion collectively constitute the excretory system. The excretory system of man consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, urethra. The kidneys of man are reddish-brown, bean-shaped, slightly flattened organs present on the either side of the vertebral column. Right kidney is about 1 to 1.5 cm lower than left kidney because it is pushed downward by large right liver lobe. Each kidney is about 10 cm long, 6 cm wide, and 3.5 cm thick. It is a bean-shaped structure. Outer margin is convex and inner margin concave. In the middle of inner concavity, a notch called hilus or hilum is present. Hilus leads to a space called renal sinus. The renal artery, renal vein, nerve fiber, lymph vessels, and ureters enter or leave the kidney through hilus.